Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us keep creating more content like this. Now, let's dive into whey protein. Whey protein is one of the most popular and extensively studied supplements in the fitness world. Basically, it's a powdered protein derived from milk whey, used to help people meet their daily protein intake goals, especially those with intense workout routines or those looking to optimize muscle gain. It provides a convenient way to consume high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. There are different types of whey protein available, each with its own characteristics. Let's look at the main variations. 1. Whey protein concentrate. This is the most common and least processed form of whey, containing around 70% to 80% protein, along with small amounts of carbohydrates and fats. It's a great option for those seeking a good balance between cost and quality. 2. Whey protein isolate. This goes through a more advanced filtration process, removing almost all fats and carbohydrates, offering a protein concentration of 90% or more. It's ideal for those with dietary restrictions, like lactose intolerance, or those who want to minimize calorie and carbohydrate intake. 3. Whey protein hydrolysate. This type of whey undergoes hydrolysis, where the proteins are broken down into smaller peptides, making digestion and absorption faster. It's recommended for those with digestive difficulties or those seeking quicker muscle recovery. You can also find whey protein blends, which combine different types of whey to offer a mixture of benefits. How does whey protein work in the body? Once consumed, it is rapidly digested, and its amino acids are absorbed into the bloodstream. This results in a quick supply of proteins to the muscles, promoting protein synthesis, the process of building muscle. That's why it's often recommended after workouts when your body needs to recover and repair muscle tissue. A common question is, what's the difference between taking whey protein with water or milk? If you mix it with water, you're only consuming the whey itself, which is low in calories and contains virtually no carbohydrates or fats. This is a good option for those on a calorie-restricted diet, aiming for weight loss or controlled calorie intake. However, mixing whey with milk adds calories and carbohydrates. Milk also contains protein, but the significant difference is the additional calories and carbs from the lactose in milk. This can be beneficial for those in a muscle-building phase, or bulking, where the goal is to consume more calories than are burned. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and helps a lot. The amount of whey protein you should take depends on your goals and diet. Generally, the recommended dose is 20 to 30 grams per serving, which is enough to provide a good amount of essential amino acids, such as leucine, which is crucial for protein synthesis. Another topic that often comes up is the myths surrounding whey protein. Many people think long-term use can harm the kidneys or cause health problems, but scientific studies have debunked these claims, showing that moderate protein intake in healthy individuals does not harm the kidneys. What's important is maintaining a balanced intake based on your weight, activity level, and goals. So, if you're looking to improve your gym results, gain muscle mass, or simply reach your daily protein intake more easily, whey protein can be a great ally. Always consult a nutritionist or doctor before starting any supplementation, as they can help you design the best strategy for your individual needs. Do you already use whey protein? Do you prefer it with water or milk? Leave a comment below and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us continue to create more content for you. See you in the next video.